Alright guys, it is Thursday, still morning. We've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. It feels like a long day. But anyways, we're out and about, and people have, in the past have asked, say I'm a poet, if I could go to Diamond Subdivision and vlog in Diamond Subdivision. Here's the thing, Diamond Subdivision it's a big subdivision, and to walk around, I mean, we'd be walking and walking and walking. So you know what, we're gonna go to Diamond Subdivision, and we're gonna drive through. Take our time, drive through. Like I said, people have asked, people have said they've lived there in the past, and they've always wanted, you know, me to go through Diamond Subdivision. So that's what we're gonna do. This is gonna be a car vlog. We're gonna car vlog today. There's Let's hey. With me. Hannah Grace is it's cool, but we're gonna car vlog Diamond Subdivision. All right, we are in the Diamond Subdivision. You go through the entrance. There's a guard there, but he doesn't stop you or anything. But here it is. This is Diamond Subdivision. If I can get out here, I don't know. I don't want the wind noise. A lot of speed bumps through here. There's some really nice homes in here. We even have a subscriber that lives back in here. We went to a picnic that they had, and he has a really nice house. But here it is. I don't know, I'm sure a lot has changed over the years back in here. But yeah, look at this house. I mean, it's a nice house right there. Really nice house. Make sure nobody's behind me. There's somebody here, I'll go around. Yeah, we'll take a little ride down this road. We're at the intersection of Susanna and Dahlia Street. Oh, wow, Dahlia Street. Take a little ride down here. I would live in here. If the price was right and I could find a nice place to live in here, I would live in here. What do you think, Lut? Would you live in here?
No.
Even if the price was right? Lut says no.
They give me half price.
Half price. I know a lot of people live in here still. Oh yeah, homes all over. It's like a fortress there.
It used to be like this
here,
one.
Yeah, there's a nice house there.
This one like this?
Yeah, it's nice. No, you don't have to put it out. Get some windows.
Oh. This one used to be like Diamond used to be a very nice subdivision before. Really, I think a lot of foreigner when the military, the base is still here. A lot of like sergeant or higher officer lives in this area. This one used to be like a very strict subdivision before. You can't come in without checking and everything. Well, you're fast by, then everything changes. Like where we at before? Oh, it's your turn now.
Yeah, we're gonna rotate the camera back and forth so you guys can see. That place there. Let me show you right here. Right in front of us.
Ah, yeah.
What's it? K-A-O.
Cow.
K-A-O. Cow Brew Coffee Tap. Frappes and milk tea. Our old landlord from our other place, he runs that there. But that whole building is called White House Grill.
White House Grill. White House Grill. W-H-Y, is that a T? House Grill? Anyways, we stopped in there. They do barbecue at night. Some of these places are only open at night. But here's, I don't know what this is. Big open field. I don't know what it was at one time. This used to be like park.
Yeah, that's a park there. There's some stores in here, some sorry stores, and some restaurants.
Yeah,
that's built up. Look at this straight ahead. New construction over there. Look, handle that. Let's get the camera.
There's a new construction. For sure it's gonna be apartment. It's a nice car now. Sorry, store close. See that?
Sorry, store.
Sorry, store. Very red. Nice house. Nice house over there. It's a one side. I never also like walking over here, like as in walk and walk. Road A.
Yeah, it's too much walking. I mean, this is a huge subdivision.
Yeah, Diamond subdivision is very big. Seems like there's a lot of improvement. Little bit. I think what is in there?
Royal International School.
So I think that is ching tada. That's a nice house there.
I don't know what this is. Sorry, store something? I don't know. There's another really nice looking home. Don't know which street we're on. We're just kind of driving around. That's a bunch of toilets back there. Nice big house right there in front of us. Speed bumps all over. That's nice, huh? Nice big parking garage. Looks like quite a bit of construction going on here. Trying to look for a street name. There's one right there. What's that say?
It is. I see that. It's Sandico Street.
We're on Sandico Street.
Yeah.
We're going to turn. We'll go straight. Go straight down to Sandico Street.
Sandico Street.
I guess we're kind of like towards the very back end. There's a nice house. What?
Like this.
Yeah, that's a nice house there.
The one there. Like this.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, kind of cool. I always like the house there. Oh, there's a bird. There's a bird. There's only like one side.
Sandico Premier School. That's a school. Here you go, look. There's homes on that side.
That is a nice house there. Look at that. That's brand new and everything. Look at the very nice garage. No wonder it's nice. Aray ko! Too many bumps. Sorry, store close.
Okay.
It seems like there's a lot of like nice houses there. Maybe just before when we come in, I only goes like in front, so I don't really know stuff. It's abandoned. But I don't see a lot of like apartment.
There's apartments right there.
There?
Yeah.
I think that's the other one there too. It's apartment. I don't know what's this street called. We don't see the sign. I think this one is apartment. No, that's a house.
Those are apartments.
Oh, that's apartment too. Oh, cool.
Switch out. A nice big house right here. even though it's a gated community, well, I guess you call it a gated community, they still have I don't see barbed wire, but I do see everything's fenced in, and everything is fenced in. Alright, now I can see a street. We're coming up on a street right here. We're going to turn down, what's this street? Juniper?
Junior.
Junior?
Yeah. I know.
Junior Street. Here,
Junior.
we're turning down Junior Street.
Look at the cat.
What am I looking at?
Cat.
Where?
The car.
Oh.
The van.
You know what, guys? The windshield is so dirty. There's a cat up on that van right there. Huh. Some places are abandoned. He's waiting for school.
Yeah, some place. Nobody lives there no more.
Yeah.
This one is not nice.
Which one?
That one there in front of you.
This one, yeah, that's nice. It's a nice one. Big gates in the front. Another really nice one there. Looks like they're doing a lot of work to it.
Yeah. Like this.
There's a house with a store. That's what you need right there, look.
Yeah, that's the one I'm looking for. Did anyone knows where can I find that?
Well, now we were talking that we would move from where we're at, but we're looking for something like a small little house with a pretty nice sized garage. What else? Little yard.
Yeah.
And like a little area where she can run her store out of. I mean, we like where we're at, but the landlord, and I guess it's my fault, I didn't read the contract all the way through, but every year she's raising the rent 600 pesos. And after a couple years, it ain't worth it. Sorry, it's not worth it. So, you know, we're not in a rush to get out of there, but if something were to pop up, you know, we would take it.
This time we need to take time.
Yeah,
Right.
take our time. I don't know, I don't see a street name here.
No street.
Here you go, look. Switching out.
Switching out. No street again.
Trees.
Yeah, this time I would like to take my time. It's just like that. It's a sorry store with a house.
Yeah.
Like that one. I like to take time this time.
I like your yard. I like
Look at that. That's so
It's really
pretty,
nice.
right? Look at this.
the landscaping in the front.
Wow. That's so cool. That one too. That's cool. That's pretty. You wonder who owned this, all of nicest house there, huh? Maybe mayor, governor, vice mayor,
Retired expats.
retired expats, major. Consular, captain. That one too is nice there.
We're out on the motorcycle because of the rain.
Yeah, we can't ride the motorcycle. We're in the car, pal. We're not in the motorcycle.
Yeah, but we can't do a motor vlog because it's raining.
Yep. Sorry. Where's that? That's an entrance.
Yeah, sure.
Down there is an entrance straight ahead. Fitness gym. Who wants to go to the gym? That is pretty.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yes. That one there too.
When our friends live up this road?
Huh?
When our friends live up this road?
I don't have idea. That's Marlin Boulevard. Oh no, this is street. This is Misael Street. Wait.
Miss L.
Yeah, Misael Street down there.
How do you spell it?
Misal. Misal Street. That one there is very nice. That one there.
Their friends live up here.
Huh?
Their friends live up here on this one. That's nice right there.
No, I don't know.
I like that.
I don't think so. This one here? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There's a place with a little store.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Misael.
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 This street here just has nice homes on both sides of the road.
So it's like also it looks like clean, very.
It's clean in here.
It's very organized.
Yeah. We're gonna find out if we can keep going or not.
It's the turn down. It's the
Alright, this guy's directing me on where to go.
Is this gold?
Yeah. Is that a school? Yeah. Spring Hill Monastery School. Alright, we'll go left here. Yeah, that's a nice place. How many times am I going to say that?
Because there is a lot of like house for sale.
House and lot for sale.
Oh.
There you go.
Who wants to buy that?
There's a house and lot for sale. Looks like it's a one-story, nice big carport area. Yeah, it's really nice. It's even your color, look.
Huh?
It's even your color. There
Yeah,
you go.
that's too bright.
There's the telephone number in case anybody out there is interested.
Too bright.
Alright, look.
It's my turn now.
Yeah. There's another street both
That
sides
is
of
nice,
nice
yeah.
homes.
This is nice street too. Nice house there.
Yeah, that's nice right there. Nice balcony up there.
I always like one side only. I don't know why. Two-story is nice too. Problem is I'm thinking ahead. I'm getting older.
Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. You know what? There's so many streets here. Right now we just came down, what is that, Emmanuel Street. The subdivision is so big, I mean, and there's just so many homes in here. Like I said, it's been raining off and on today. That's why we're in the car. But like I said, people have asked me to come through here, you know, to walk through here. It's just, it'd take you all day to probably just walk up and down all these streets. So anyways guys, a car vlog. Sorry if it wasn't that great. Like I said, the windshield is just so dirty. If I stuck the camera there, I mean, it's just bad. I know. Get out and clean the windshield, right? Put some washer fluid in your washer reservoir. Yeah, I know I need to do that. So anyways guys, this just a car vlog through the Diamond subdivision. Got anything to say, Lut?
See you next time.
See you guys next time.